Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Now, I have been making chicken wings and many have been asking me, can we do it without an oven? I don't have an oven, and this recipe is just for you, and I want you to see how I made this beautiful, delicious honey barbecue chicken wings. Let's get started. Next to me I have my wings. I also have 1 cup of flour that I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of paprika and about 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of salt. And go ahead to mix everything together. So next it's time to coat our wings. So I'm going to coat it with the flour. Next, it's time to deep fry the wings, and to check if your oil is hot enough, you can use a wooden skillet, a wooden spoon, and if bubbles come around, then you know your oil is hot enough. These wings were deep fried in medium-high heat for about 8 to 10 minutes. They were also well done, and you can take them out once you have that crispy top. Once your wings are well done, place them on a kitchen towel to drain excess oil. Here are the wings, very crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, and you can even have a piece and enjoy. The next step is to work on our marinade. I have about 3/4 cup of barbecue sauce. Then added 1/2 cup of honey, and this is an optional ingredient, but that is soy sauce. I added a little bit of it. Keep stirring this on medium heat. You don't want it to completely dry out, but you can see how it looks right now. It's starting to bubble a little. Go ahead to add in your chicken wings. Proceed to evenly coat the wings. As you can see on your screen, the marinade has dried up a little, and that is what we're going for, and that shows you that the chicken wings have been coated very well, and the marinade is also sticking to the wings. There you have it. It was so delicious. You can garnish it with some spring onions. I had coriander, and that's what I'm garnishing it with, and it was perfect. You will absolutely love this recipe. It was bomb. I can't wait for you guys to try it. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.